Alright guys, sorry that my face is so weird. I'm gonna play, and that's my old makeup. I was washing it off. But anyways, let's jump in. Of that other video. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Let me kind of zoom in on it. Look at this. It's a big F750 Super Duty Power Stroke diesel. It's getting the job done. Oh yeah, shout out to Allegiant Towing for getting my dad's car and taking it off to the shop to get worked on. It's going to be the sponsor of today's video. So, yeah. Look at this truck.
Alright, this button, go down just a little bit until the back end comes up off the ground.
Alright.
This blue one, one beside it.
One beside it. Yeah.
There you go.
Pull it down?
Yeah, just a little bit more. A little bit more. You're good, you won't break it. You won't break it.
What you got?
Go down. More. There you go.
Oh, there
now the other one. Now the other one. Yeah.
Whoa.
Alright, now let off that one. And go back to the other one. Go down real slow.
Go down.
Yeah. You're good, a little bit more. There you go. Now go back to the other one.
So this one, yep.
Yep. You got it, boss.
Alright.
Nice. Thanks for the help.
Yeah, I know. Alright, guys, that was fun.